Dear students, I hope you and your family is safe and fine. I know that the extended lockdown period due to COVID-19 pandemic has raised few questions in your mind. Like when this calamity is going to be controlled, when your classes will be recommenced at college, whether exam will be conducted or cancelled, whether this lockdown will affect research work or extend your academic year, etc. and so many. Being head of institute, I am quite aware about your mindset and stress due to this unexpected situation. I am also conscious pertaining to queries arisen in your mind for career and education. Therefore, I thought to interact through this online mode with you all who are well acquainted with social media. Dear student, I would like to assure you all that the whole scenario is going to change very soon. We all are the students of science and hence believe in scientific thinking. The coronavirus made us really a havoc which has led to a lockdown situation. No one has thought happening of such event earlier. But as a science student, we know that if we plan scientifically, we can defeat by adopting due preventive measures, like by staying at home, taking hygienic care, maintaining social distancing, and adopting the government directives from time to time. And I am sure that every one of you are following it very correctly and consciously. I would like to share a few things in such lockdown phase for your better future. Let us see the silver lining of this dark cloud. First of all, you have got unexpected period to stay at home with your lovely parents and family members. Do spend this time for them because soon after completion of your degree program, you are like to join somewhere else, maybe remote from home, and definitely miss them a lot. So this is a golden opportunity to be with family. Share your views, ideas, stress with them. Secondly, this period is nice opportunity to groom your personality. Number of online courses, website links of ebooks, socio-cultural activities are circulating on social media. Try to develop your soft skills such as public speaking, enhancing English vocabulary, learning software, reading books, cherishing your hobbies. We are trying to cater you such guidance in form of PPT or videos to boost up your morale. Recently, you have opted online assessment also. Lockdown is opportunity to think about your goal setting, preparing for examinations and self-assessment to overcome the difficulties in journey to become a noble person. I have directed the faculty members for conducting online classes to avoid your academic losses and be in touch with you all. Many of our great leaders have written books when they were in prison during British era. Lokmanya Tilak wrote Gita Rahasya, Pandit Nehru wrote Discovery of India, and so many. Look into history. We have witnessed and overcome many drastic calamities like drought, flood, outbreak, etc. When we had nothing, no medical facilities, no skilled manpower, isn't it? Last but not least, be positive. You are the green hope of nation. Surround yourself with people with positive attitude. Avoid rumors. Kindly contact me whenever you feel discomfort or depressed. Not only me, but the university authorities are also keenly caring for you all. Please feel free to share and be bold, be positive, and take care. Thank you.